Okay, everybody, this is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. I came home angry tonight. I'll tell you why in a minute. Look at the sunset.
Oh.
Look at the nice sunset we're having here. My coworker and I, we just showed up after our long hard day of work today, and this is what we come to. Stole the damn license plates off our vehicles. What kind of scumbag would do that? And why would they? I mean, on Mike's, it's worthless to them. It expires next week. Mine, I just literally just put a new one on it last week. Yeah, I'm so angry about this. I don't even know. Now we've been waiting here now for already an hour for the police to get here, at least an hour, after working our long day. So I think I need to listen to some of that relaxing music, because right now I'm not very relaxed and I'm not very happy. Now, besides the fact that we're waiting here for God knows how long for the police to come, we're gonna have to go to the DMV and sit for hours to get the new registrations for our vehicles. Okay, we'll go back to the sunset. It's a little bit happier than I am. What a bad day. Hey everybody, this is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. Out.